Hello and welcome to the channel. I am that Evernote guy, bringing you actionable content that you yourself can use to make your Evernote better and better. Very quick video today because I'm fixing an error. In my mega bot building video for TaskStageBot, I forgot to create a very simple additional instruction for TaskStageBot. When we manually add a task in and tag it as task ourselves rather than the automated version from TaskBot, we still need to have a white circle at the start to indicate that it's an untouched task. I didn't set that up in TaskStageBot last time. I came unstuck in my last video. You may have seen my shock and aghast face as I realized I'd forgotten to do it, and I promised I would do it. So let's get on with it. Let's chuck me right down there and we will fix this right now. As you can see, I'm in my Evernote, and what I'm going to do is create a new task straight away. Do this as quick as possible. I'm just going to call it new task. Let's go. Okay, now we're going to go into Filterize, and we want to go into TaskStageBot and create a new instruction for it. And this time I'm going to do an advanced filter because we have two logic conditions here, and I'll explain why. This slightly different layout. It starts with giving it a name, which is probably good for me. I probably should always start with that because I always forget to give it a name. And this will be add white circle for manually added tasks, because that's what we're going to do. It's in the stack TaskStageBot, and we are going to add an action in here, and the action is to change the note title or select note title. And what we want to do is add a title prefix. So we select that, and the title prefix, I'll paste in the white circle again, is to add the white circle to indicate an untouched task. Now we want two logic conditions. The first condition is that it is tagged as a task, otherwise it would add it to every single note you ever make. Let's save that there, nice and simple. The second logic condition is that it is in the notebook, so which comes under general, all the way down there, in notebook, inbox, which we know is 0. So put 0 there, select inbox. Now the reason you want to do that is if you didn't do that, it would add a white circle to all of your tasks, no matter where they are in the life stage cycle. So they could be completed and done, and it would still add the white circle there. So we only want stuff that's in the inbox. It hasn't been touched. We've got to do something with it. So it's a clean task. It's an untouched task. That's where we want to add it. Anyway, I'll stop waffling on about that, and we'll just save that out. And we'll close that out there. Go back into our Evernote. And let's make a little update to the note. A couple of spaces, a couple of returns in there. And then we should see in a couple of syncs that will get the white circle. What has happened in the meantime is you may have noticed that we've got the task template has been applied, which is supposed to happen because we set that up in our last video. But for this instance, we're going to watch here. Just go back to Filterize, make sure that's done. Activity Manager. And there we go. I missed it by going into Filterize and having a look, but we can see that's done there. So that was a very quick one just to fix an error we made. I'm going to close this video out now. It's just another simple instruction to make your task management system super automated. For full details of everything that I do here, check out the R.U.L.E.R Note and feel free to comment. Many thanks. See you in the next one. Bye bye.